Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Chromebook. This prevents shorts and preserves data. Once done, remove any external media and flip the device so the back is accessible. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the bezel carefully. Don't force metal clips. Make sure to wear an anti-static wrist strap or ground yourself to avoid damaging components. As you remove the back and keep screws sorted, you're ready to access the display assembly. This is the first physical step toward replacing the screen. Once the bezel is off and hinges are loosened, locate the display ribbon cable and any inverter or board connectors. These carry the video signal and power. You must gently flip open ZIF latches and slide the cable free. Rough handling can tear the ribbon. Inspect connectors for bent pins, corrosion, or scorch marks because faults there often mimic a bad screen. If you have a replacement, compare part numbers and connector pin count so you avoid mismatched hardware. This prevents wasted time and extra disassembly later. You reconnect the display ribbon into the ZIF connector and lock it in place. This is why orientation matters. Reattach the hinge screws loosely so you can lift the lid and power on for a quick test. Make sure the backlight, image, and touch, if present, work before final assembly. Once confirmed, tighten hinges and snap the bezel back on. If the screen stays blank, reseat the cable and test with an external monitor or swap the cable. Bad cables are a common failure and the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.